Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me on another video. Today's video is all about how we can style our hair and get salon-like results in the comfort of our home. Okay, I'm going to show you how I go from silky straight to bouncy loose curls that is perfect for a date night or even an evening out with the girls. And I am going to be talking about the L'Oreal Professional Steampod 3.0 that you guys have heard me talk about so many times because I'm literally obsessed with this tool. So if you want to hear about it, definitely stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I upload a video. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram where I post on a daily basis. And let's go ahead and jump into it. So by now, you guys should be familiar with the L'Oreal Professional Steampod 3.0. I have talked about it so many times on my channel as well as on my Instagram because I am literally obsessed with this tool. And today's video is in partnership with L'Oreal Professional, which I'm so proud to be partnering with again. I'm a huge believer in this tool. It is the first tool that I've used on my natural curly frizzy hair that doesn't bring me any heat damage or change the pattern of my curls. And I just love that about this product. That's why I talk about it so much. It's so easy to use, cuts the time in half of how long it takes me to get my hair this silky straight, and the results are always amazing. I mean, look at my hair. It's always bouncy, shiny. So I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair with the L'Oreal Professional Steampod 3.0 because the beauty of this product is you can get your hair nice and silky smooth, but you can also create different beautiful styles that are perfect for any occasion. And right now is a great time to get your hands on the Steampod 3.0. There is an amazing promotion going on. I will leave all of the details down into my description bar as well as links to the product, so definitely check it out. But if you go ahead and purchase the Steampod 3.0 as well as a styling product like the milk or the cream right over here, I definitely love the milk. It just makes a huge difference when I use the milk in combination with the Steampod. It really does help make my hair a lot more smoother and healthy looking. So I like the milk on my hair personally, but you can choose between the two. And then also there is the serum, which is like your last step to give your hair a lot of shine and just seal everything in. If you do go ahead and get that bundle, you will receive two items. The first one is this black Steampod pouch, which is great for traveling with your Steampod. You pop it in here and it's nicely protected, easy to store in your luggage or any way you want to. So you get one of these as well as the L'Oreal Professional tote bag. And I just love this cute tote bag, perfect for summertime. It's a really good size, amazing quality, and you can just like tote this anywhere really. And that is priced at $397. Again, I will link it down below, as well as individual products like the styling products and the Steampod 3.0. My hair is freshly washed. I went ahead and straightened it with the L'Oreal Professional Steampod 3.0. If you guys want to see like a complete process going from complete curly hair to straight with the 1 pass challenge, I will link that video down below. But I'm going to show you guys how easy it is just to get like a straight kind of look to my hair. It's a no-brainer. You're literally just going to pass the Steampod on your hair. And when you do get your Steampod, I just want to show you guys how it comes. It comes with a Steampod. At the back, there is this like tank of water that you can easily fill up because it comes with a little bottle to easily fill this thing up. And I love that you don't have to continuously fill it up. Like I could do my whole head of hair with one tank of water, which is really, really great. You also have your settings inside, which shows you 3 different heat settings. So pick the one appropriate for your hair, which you're most comfortable with. I sometimes go up to the 410 because I want my curls to hold a lot longer. So that's really great. And there's also a comb that is detachable. So you can remove it, put it back on. When I'm styling my hair, putting in some curls, I do remove my comb just because I I can and I want to, and I don't feel like I need the comb in there, but that is definitely optional. And it is great when you are straightening your hair to have the comb in there, just to really make that pass seamless and get a smooth finish. Usually when my hair is frizzy and I just want it to be nice and straight, I just go ahead and press down on my hair, as you guys can see right here, and you can hear the steam activating. That's the amazing thing about the Steampod. It's that technology, right? The heat in combination with the steam, which in turn allows you not to have heat on your hair for a longer period of time, prevents heat damage, which is amazing. And also the steam allows to hydrate your hair and give you a more shiny finish to your hair. Like, it always looks super luscious and healthy. So when I press down, the steam activates and starts to pass with the heat. And that's why it is so fast to get your hair nice and smooth, silky smooth with just one pass, right? Because it's using that heat and beautiful steam technology. And that is honestly all I do on my hair to get this look. Like, just a nice, smooth look, everyday look. And before, when I wanted to get my hair this straight, I would have to blow dry my hair and then flat iron my hair, and it would take such a long time. With the L'Oreal Professional Steampod 3.0, I can skip the blow drying. I just let my hair air dry fully. I go ahead and apply my milk, which is amazing, and then I use this product and my hair is nice and straight. Because my hair is already straight, I'm not going to put this on, but I am going to put the serum on at the end. Okay, so let's create some beautiful curls. So I just went ahead and pulled my hair back, and then I have a little section here to show you guys how I curl my hair. For the most part, I prefer a nice loose curl, but you can definitely do tighter curls. It depends what you like to do. And the L'Oreal Steampod will make it super, super easy. So just grabbing this section here, and I'm going to show you guys how I like to curl my hair. So I grab my hair, I do a little swoop, like a circle basically with my hair. And here is the end. And then I drag that down. I tend to leave this tip like that. I don't drag it all the way down, and then I let go. And this is kind of like a more loose, beachy wave type of style. I love this for every day. It's very casual, but you can really dress it up. But then I'm going to show you guys how to do a very tight curl. So with the same section, if you do a mistake, which sometimes curls can be very tricky, you just want to go ahead and pass that Steampod right there, and it will bring your hair back to silky straight. So coming in a little closer to you guys. So I'm going to grab my hair and I'm going to go right here and do a circular motion with my hair, just like that. And I am dragging the Steampod down a little bit as I grab more hair, but still going in like this circle motion to grab all of my hair. And all the way down to the tip, basically. This is gonna give me like a bit of a tighter curl. And then I just let go, and this is what I have. It's so pretty and romantic. It's just gorgeous. Like, if you want this kind of curl, this is beautiful. You do a little bit of hairspray to hold those curls tighter or longer lasting. It really depends how you hold your curl, but this is a really pretty romantic style. So I'm going to do a little bit more of that. And when it comes to this romantic curl, for me, I like to leave it just as it is. And then I'm going to brush everything out, and it's just going to become a little bit more casual, like not as curly as we're seeing right now, because that's my preference, but you could definitely leave it that way. So grabbing my hair again, as you guys can see, it's nicely silky smooth. You could do smaller pieces if you want also. It really depends on, you know, the look that you're going for, how your hair holds the curl and all of that stuff, right? So again, grabbing that Steampod, and I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair. So circular motions. And I'm taking my time because I know my hair and I want the curl to be really kind of defined. so. And as I pull down, I'm very, very gentle with it. And then I just kind of loosen the grip that I have, let go, and there is another very pretty curl right here. So romantic, so pretty. But you see how easy it is to style your hair. And again, I am not, I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not the best at styling my hair. But when I started using the L'Oreal Professional Steampod, it really allowed me to have fun with my hair and create these beautiful styles that I always thought that I couldn't do. But it's so easy with this tool. It really is super easy. I'm just gonna grab a piece of hair and I'm gonna do that circle motion, just twirling my hair with the Steampod. And if you make a mistake, that's okay. Like, I make mistakes too. Like right now, my hair is not where I want it to be. So I just grab it and I'm gonna do it again, right? Because again, I'm not a hairstylist, but it's so easy to work with this. And I'm leaving it a little bit longer because I want those curls to be really defined. My curls are not all going to be exactly the same, and you don't want them to be exactly the same. You want them to be a little different because once you brush it out, it is going to look a lot more effortless than having all the curls completely the same, completely rounded the same. You know what I mean? So don't be afraid if the curl pattern is not exactly the same because you're going to brush it out and it's just gonna flow. And I really love that the cord moves around in any direction. It really helps when I am styling my hair. I don't have to worry about how I'm holding this or if the cord is getting tangled around my hands or anything like that. Especially being left-handed, it can be a little tricky sometimes, but I love that they paid attention to those little details. It makes such a huge difference. So here's my hair all finished, and I love the way that this turned out. The thing that I'm going to use is the Steampode concentrated serum. I love this stuff. I do about 1.5 to 2 pumps on my hair because my ends always look so good. I do a little bit right here on the top, and it just kind of tames any like little frizzies or makes my ends look a lot more healthy than they really are. And I love the finish of this serum. Like, it just adds that extra luminosity that I need and makes everything look really, really put together. So the styling products are actually pretty amazing and definitely work hand in hand with the Steampode. And I do kind of run my hands through my hair to loosen things up and kind of zhuzh things up to make it so like it's a little bit more effortless and not super perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and saw something new and cool today. I definitely love my Steampode. I'm gonna say it over and over again. It's literally the best tool that I've tried in such a long time, that I don't have to worry about damaging my curls. Always gives me beautiful silky results and so easy and fast to use. And I need something that's going to allow me to get these results without spending an hour or two trying to do my hair. So I will link everything down below in the description box. Don't forget to take advantage of the promo going on right now. I will also leave the code for you guys to use at checkout, so you make sure you get your tote and your pouch. And thank you so much to L'Oreal Professional for partnering with me on this video. Can't wait to hear your comments down below. Definitely let me know if you've tried the Steampod out or you really want to try it out. And yeah, just let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see more hairstyling videos. I'd love to do that for you. And I will see you all on the next one. Ciao!